Hey, Jody here. I got a quick announcement for you. The bottom line is I'm going to be posting 30 videos over the next 30 days. Never done that before, but I've been batching videos and I've kind of just been putting them in the vault, and I'm thinking it ain't helping nobody in the vault. So I'm going to go ahead and just blow them out. And the reason is we're doing customer appreciation over at weldingtipsandtricks for our current customers and heck, our future customers too. Here's a little quick sampling of what you can expect to see.
Several videos on TIG welding aluminum with both basic and advanced techniques, a mini-series on MIG welding with basic joints as well as cut and etch tests to verify penetration. Of course, there's some out-of-position welding with 7018 stick rod. And there's a three-part series on TIG welding titanium along with the 3 biggest mistakes you can make on titanium. And lots of tips for TIG welding aluminum along with crisp arc shots. There will be several giveaways during our Customer Appreciation Month, one of which will be the CK Worldwide Turbo Sharp Tungsten Grinder. There will also be several special deals on TIG kits, tungsten, filler metal, and gloves. One of our most popular kits is our Challenger kit because it's got the most popular Furet cups for TIG welding every metal on both AC and DC.
But you'll have to sign up.
You'll have to sign up for the giveaways, and you'll have to sign up so that you'll get notified every third video when they post. These videos will be posted at the blog page at weldmonger.com.
There's a link in the description here where you can sign up and enter and also be notified every few days when every third or fourth video posts. Hit the link, sign up, let's hit it.